Hi, welcome to our look at the upcoming Monday, December 1st trading session. I have the economic calendar open in front of you as per usual, and as a result, we feel that a couple of these announcements will come into play, and we are going to take a look at them to perhaps give you a heads up on what could happen. First thing that we're paying attention to is German manufacturing PMI. That should have a significant effect on the DAX and quite possibly the euro as well. Anything over 50 represents expansion and therefore should be positive for those markets. A little later, we have the same thing coming out of the UK. Same thing here, except for just simply replace the DAX and the euro with the pound and the FTSE. As we go a little later into the day, we have manufacturing PMI out of the United States, and that, of course, will have an effect on the stock markets in the U.S., which are generally bullish anyways. So we would anticipate that sooner or later we should get a buying opportunity. And finally, we get an interest rate decision out of Australia that will be directly influential to the Australian dollar and probably not much else. Looking at the FTSE, you can see that we fell rather significantly during the session on Friday, but found enough support to turn things back around and form a nice looking hammer. Because of this, if we can clear this little bit up here right around 67.75 or so, we feel the market goes to 6,900 and it is a call buying opportunity. Any pullback from here should find support, and supportive candles would of course be call buying opportunities as well. We have no interest in buying puts. Looking at the DAX, we've gone way too far to start buying now because, quite frankly, it's just far too overextended, and we are just below the 10,000 euros level. So we're looking for pullbacks in order to take advantage of value. On the other hand, though, if we get a close above the 10,000 euros level on the daily chart, at that point in time, we would just assume that the market continues much higher. Looking at the S&P 500, we've had a slightly soft session on Friday. It was a short session, and most people probably were still away for the holiday. So we'd like to see a little bit of a pullback with some support in order to start buying calls. Really, at this point in time, we have no way to buy puts, and we feel that this market will ultimately go much higher. So having said that, we are bullish in buying calls on pullbacks as they represent value. And with that, we have taken a look at the upcoming Monday, December 1st trading session.